Can myEcon help you instantly increase your cash flow? The answer to that and much more in this video. What's up, my friend? DK here. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, do me a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell icon to get notified anytime I go live, anytime I put out new content about myEcon or anything to do with making money online. You hit that bell icon, you will be the first to know. So let's just go for it. Let's just go for it right here. Let's dive right in. I'm going to share my screen. We're going to talk about exactly how it is, yes, possible for you to instantly increase your monthly cash flow with myEcon. And it's pretty awesome. So let me show you how to do it. So one of myEcon's core products is something called income shifting, also known as correcting your W-4. So plain and simple, if you are here in the United States, if you are working a job, if you at some point in your job you filled out a W-4, which means this is the amount of taxes that you get taken out of your paycheck. Yes, 100%, you may be able to get an instant influx in cash, more money net in your bank account every single month using this specific product. Now, it's actually very easy to do, and it only takes 20 minutes to do this. Now, let me give you a little backstory. Here's what most people don't understand. And by the way, myEcon has had this product and been in business here for 20 plus years. So they know what they're doing. This works really, really well. It's 100% legal, ethical, follows IRS guidelines. This is not tax evasion or any kind of crap like that. So don't start going down that road being like, oh, this is a scam. Just simmer down. Stop. Okay. First off, what most people need to know and understand, especially here in the United States, and I'm sure this applies to other countries. I'm sure, you can apply the same exact concept that you're learning here with myEcon with this income shifting. And if you're in, Germany or the UK or Australia or New Zealand or somewhere, you can apply the same sort of strategies. It might not work with the forms that myEcon has because these are US based forms, but I'm sure the concept would still apply in other countries. Okay. Most people are paying about $6,000 to $10,000 in taxes more than they need to every single year. $6,000 to $10,000 that you're overpaying the IRS, the US government, and you probably don't even realize it. And you don't realize it because it's just, 52 weeks out of the year. You don't even, it's just so standard, you don't even think about it. And the reason that you're doing that is because you most likely, like me and many other people, when you get your job, when you start a brand new job, you fill out all your new hire paperwork and it's like, okay, yeah, here's your tax form. Okay, let me sign it. Let me just put zero and whatever. Most people don't think of how to properly do this stuff. So you end up overpaying your taxes. And then at the end of the year, you wish and hope and pray that you get a really big what? Refund. Most people hope for a big refund, but here's the thing that you need to understand. This is data, this is facts, okay? At the end of the year, the government's only going to give you a percentage back of the taxes that you paid. Now, you do have some say in what percentage you get back, but if you have a home-based business and if you apply certain strategies, the strategies that the wealthy apply, right? You can get even more money back and you can put more money back in your pocket now without having to wish and hope and pray that you get a really big refund, right? You don't have to overpay that on average of $6,000 to $10,000 every single month or every single year. Sorry. You can keep more of your hard-earned money. So this is exactly how it works. And this is why people are kind of referring to this as like, the income shifting hack or the government hack. This is the hack that the IRS does not want you to know about because straight up, they want your money. The government wants to keep more of your money. But this is why more and more people right now, especially right now in 2020, 25, as more people are starting to learn about income shifting, about myEcon, more and more people are turning to myEcon because they're able to instantly increase their cash flow without even promoting the business. So I have a very, very important question that I'm going to ask you here in just a minute. And I want you to answer this question. Put it in the comments down below. So before I get to that question, let's dive in. So when you go over to the actual income shifting, okay, I'm going to show you really quick, as simple as it is. Like all products that myEcon has, there's a little intro video explains the importance of it, what you're about to do, simple, right? And then you go to the actual income producing activity here, your influx in cash flow, and it's only going to take you 20 minutes. It's literally going to take you 20 minutes to do this and potentially put on average. We've done a poll in our Facebook group, okay? Said, hey, how many of you guys did this? What kind of money did you actually get back? The average was $600 to $800 per month in increased cash flow. What would that do for you? So you can follow this video right here, and it's going to show you step by step how to properly fill out your W-4. So again, you can pay less in taxes and put more money back in your pocket. No, this is not going to, and just in case you're, one of those, pessimists out there that are saying, oh, you're just going to change it and you're going to keep more money and then you're going to owe money at the end of the year. No, that's not what this is about. This is about at the end of the year, you should be flush. You should be even. You shouldn't owe any taxes. You shouldn't get back any taxes because you should be able to keep as much money throughout the year as possible. And this shows you exactly how to do it step by step. So this is one of the things that myEcon is known for, helping people increase their cash flow instantly. You don't have to promote the business. You don't have to, pitch friends and family. You don't have to post on Facebook. You don't have to go to hotel meetings. You don't have to get people on conference calls. You don't have to host any home parties. You can join myEcon today, right now. Go do this income shifting. Take 20 minutes, do this, and put more money back in your pocket instantly. And you will see this literally, like if you get paid weekly or if you get paid every other week, you will most likely see this increase in your very next paycheck. That's pretty cool. Not many other companies can offer the fact that you could join and get started today and you can instantly increase your cash flow without even promoting the business. So now I have a very, very important question for you. Would you trade right now today? Now, this is basic math, okay? And put your comment down below. Let me know your thought on this. Let me know if I'm accurate. Let me know if you have another thought process on this. But would you trade less than $100 right now to get started with myEcon to increase your monthly cash flow by an average of $600 to $800 per month? Let me just spell that out for you again one more time so make sure we're crystal clear here. Would you trade less than $100 and 20 minutes of your time right now for a monthly increase of about $600 to $800 per month? Does that math compute for you? Does that make sense for you? If it does, link in the description down below to get started right now. Be part of this movement. Put more money back in your pocket. Help others do the same. It's simple as that. And as you share myEcon, you can build a very, very successful business like myself and thousands of others have. Okay? If the math doesn't compute for you, you don't understand trading 20 minutes of your time in less than $100 right now to increase your monthly pay by $600, $700, or $800 a month, then making money from home, having a home-based business might not be a good fit for you because it's basic math. It's basic, simple math. Okay. Less than $100 increase in your monthly pay. It's works out pretty well in your favor. Okay. So sorry to be blunt, sorry to be direct, but I just got to keep it real with you guys here on this channel. So hope you appreciate that. By the way, if you made it to this point in the video, do me a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, get notified. Anytime I put out new content, I go live, you will be the first to know, my friend. So thank you for watching. If you want more information on myEcon, our team, why we're so successful, how we're one of the largest and fastest growing teams inside of myEcon, we give you over $11,000 in free value just for getting started. You don't have to pay for any of that free value. We give you literally sales funnels, email marketing, apps, training, live training 5 times a week, everything you need to build a successful business with myEcon. I'll leave an end card right here at the end of this video. You can simply tap on that, head on over, watch my full overview. If you have any questions for me, drop a comment, or text me. Appreciate you. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one.